step into the 2008 Dodge Caliber SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include power mirror, satellite radio, AC, rear defrost, rear bench seat, front disc rear drum brakes, floor mats, and power windows. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.